Hi YouTube, so today I have this wrap. It's huge. In my friend's house. Shout to Yee. That's basically him. Oh, okay. There's me. And we have some ketchup. Put that in there. And we have some leftover fries. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to place both of them inside the wrap. Okay. So let's start. Bye. Skin's gonna hold up for a second. Now, here we first put the tomato picture. Oh, that's. Did you hear that?
Yeah, I know. It sounded like a fart.
It sounded like shit. No. Damn it. It looks like that much. Never.
Yeah. It looks like you're making pizza at the same time.
So many pizza like rolled up together.
Yeah, but seriously.
Oh, damn it.
Seriously, chips can be put on pizza. I went to Italy. No, it's really nice.
Cool.
I went to Italy one time and I got them. Oh, sorry. Ugh, that looks so disgusting.
Let's go and taste that. Let's see what the taste test in this video.
Oh, the smell of it.
What you want? You hate ketchup? Then don't eat Perry crisps. By the way, Kian hates crisps.
I know, I had ketchup. For some reason, I actually did.
Ketchup.
Yeah, I had ketchup. I love chips, but I had the ketchup.
Okay. So, where the heck are you filming? Like,
oh, sorry. Sorry.
Okay, all this time, if he wasn't filming, I don't know. So, they put a lot of chips and ketchup. Heinz!
It sounds like a German word.
Okay, now we're going to wrap it up. Oh, jeez. If this goes on the table, this is my fault. Oh, jeez. This is so fat.
That was hilarious.
Oh,
right.
Oh, German.
Yeah, it's German.
Oh, jeez. Does this look tasty?
No, it looks.
Okay, here's a question. Write in the comments. Is this gonna be tasty? Yes or no? A is yes and B is no. What's my reaction? Let's see it. Sorry, guys. It doesn't wrap this one with strip, so. Okay. Oh, you know the game Fallout?
Yeah.
Poster, San Pellegrino. Looks like Nuka-Cola from Fallout.
Yeah.
Just listen to your
I had to hold that for ages. Say Heinz again.
Hi.
No, Heinz in German.
Oh. Huh? Sorry guys for that. So, it's aside, see?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh. That was gross.
Oh, would have been better with ham in. I would have rather ham.
Cucumber.
Don't eat it if you don't like it.
Yes, this is the end of the video, guys. Like, subscribe, and comment, share. So, bye.
Bye. Bye.